How's it going, everyone? This is the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm going to do a unboxing on the Revell of Germany 124 scale Land Rover Series 3 long wheelbase Defender. As you can see, beautiful box art. I love the green. Land Rovers are just one of my favorite vehicles of all time. Of course, I built the monogram version. It's real hard to get. The short wheelbase, and of course I got a video of it that I'll probably repost. I've had it on there before and I've taken it off and I'll repost it. But you can get a Land Rover long wheelbase in the Italier, I think that's how you spell it, or ESCI. They're hard to get too. I think they just repopped the Italier version. I think it's like a fire truck version. But they're curbside kits. They don't come with the engine detail, and you can see right here that the Revell is a new tooling. Comes with the engine detail, very detailed, nice roof rack, spare tire, 4-door, long wheelbase. It's never been out before. You can see the parts there. Very nice box art. I had just got this one in. I got it for Christmas. My son had ordered it. He ordered me 2 of them. I got 2 of them. And I think he got them from eBay from a place out of England that sent them to us. Very nice kit. Well, let's open it up. Let's see what's in here. Okay. You can see the body right there. Looks like it's very nicely done. Try to get a picture of everything so you can see all the, where any of the mold lines or anything like that is. Looks like very crisp. It's very nice to me. Now, of course, I'm not a Land Rover expert. Of course, I live in the U.S. There's not a whole lot of these over here. When you do find them, they are very expensive as far as the real thing. So I know you guys over in England and Europe and everything, y'all probably know the differences between them and this and that. I'm not an expert, but I think it looks pretty good to me. Let's see what else we got in here. I'm just going to dump this whole thing out here. Alright. Let's look at the instruction booklet. You can see very nice. Got all the paint colors. Very nice. All the different languages. So you'll know. More the same on this page. And then you got the sprues. What's on the parts. Get in here, zoom it in so you can see it better. Just turn the page. There you go. I like the decals. They look pretty good. And that's the park spears. The trees. Shows you what's on there. I like the decals. They're colored. Or the instruction sheet. There's the engine. Looks like a very nice engine. Rear diff. Or is that the front diff? It might be the front diff. Shows you how to paint it. that would have been the front diff. Gas tank, springs, exhaust, rear diff. Decals, so let me move those decals out of the way. Show you all to them here in a minute. Seats. And all the interior components. Rear seat. Chassis. Seats. Side seats. Door cards. Awesome stuff. I can't wait to get on this one. I'm very excited about this. I've been wanting this ever since they announced it. And I'm lucky enough to get 2 of them, thanks to my son. On, I think, yeah, it's either right hand or left hand drive. See, left hand drive or right hand drive. Very awesome. Looks like very detailed instructions. Roof rack. Several pieces to go to that. Very nice. Like I said, I can't wait to get started on this one. Thinking about building another little vintage race team like I did my other Land Rover when I had the little Austin Haley bug-eyed Sprite made into a little track car. Here's the decals. Let's see. Looks like you got some German plates. 2 different sets of German plates. You got your Great Britain, Netherlands, France, another Great Britain. I guess the A is for Australia. The Italian. I guess the CH, would that be Czech Republic? Y'all correct me if I'm wrong. B, what is that? Belgium. And then Ireland. And then you got some US decals for Nevada. Very nice decals. Alright, let's look at this. This is the first plastic bag. I'm going to open it up, let y'all see what's on the inside. Right. Looks like we got the some of the engine parts. You got the radiator shroud, hoses. Sorry about my camera. I don't have the best camera. You got the distributor. That's the first parts tray. Now then, you got your seats. You got your right or left hand drive dash, instrument panels. Looks like you got your transmission mount tunnel, seats, shifter, door pulls. Let's see. Here's the other one. Let's open this sucker up. Maybe. Alright. To me, like we got your frame. Looking very nice to me. Got your seats. Got your little hoses. Looks like some shocks. windshield wipers, pedals. Okay, that was that spear. Alright, now then, you got your front and rear diff, spring, your drive shafts. We'll turn this one over here. There's your exhaust. And I'm going to say that will be your transfer case. I'm not sure. Differential, steering wheel, diff cover. Let's see what's in it. Let's open this one up. Okay. Looks like we got your interior part of the chassis. Floorboard. The underneath side. Revell 2019. Revell, Germany. Land Rover Series 3 long wheelbase station wagon. That can be sanded off or you can leave it. There's the hood, or UK, the bonnet. There's the windshield frame. And I guess that would be part of your firewall. There's the underside of the bonnet or hood. Very nicely detailed. Back side of your door cards. And here's the other side. Got the door pulls. Well, there's a lot of parts to this. 184 parts is what it says. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, several little parts here. What do we have here? Looks like we have a bumper. And I'm not sure what all the that's roof rack or railing. I'm not sure what all that is without looking at the instruction. Well, maybe this is a roof rack. I'm sure y'all can correct me on what I'm doing wrong. I'm not no expert unboxer. I just thought I would show y'all. I'm not sure what all those parts are without looking at the instructions. Here's the top section. There's the wheels. I love those steel wheels. Looks like a battery. Looks like spare steel wheels that probably go on the top. Fan. Alright, we got your Land Rover grill. Put some good detail into that. We got your mirrors. Mirrors here, so you got several different sets of mirrors. So I'd have to look and see what the difference is why we got so many mirrors. But there's those. Now here is your engine. There's your exhaust manifold. Looks like some great detailing. I don't know much about Land Rover engines or what size engine or what what kind it is, but looks to me like good detailing. Y'all can tell me if I'm wrong. Let's do the clear parts here. Looks like you got lots of clear parts. Maybe I need to get me a pair of scissors here. Like I said, I'm just a country boy from Arkansas. Alright. Beautiful glass. Nice and crisp and clear. Guess those would be the portal windows up there to the top. Very nice. Very nice. Like I said, here's the body again. Alright guys, this has been Sean with the Scale Model Car Guide channel. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you sometime.